Assalamu alaikum, class 7, exercise 18A, question number 3. The edge of a cube is 80 centimeter long. The edge of a cube, so its length, height and breadth will be same because this is a cube. How will its volume and surface area change if its edge is decreased by 10%? It is obvious that when the edge is decreased by 10%, its volume and surface area will also be changed. So we have to find the change in volume and the surface area between the original cube and the new cube. So let's suppose this is a cube. So its length, height and breadth will be same. So if we decrease it by 10%, then we get a new cube. So we have to find the change in volume and surface area of the original cube and the new cube. First of all, we have to find the volume of the new cube and volume of the original cube. Then we have to subtract them. Then we have to find the surface area of the original cube and the surface area of the new cube. Then we have to subtract these surface areas. So length of the edge of a cube, this is the original cube, that length is equals to 80 centimeter. This is a cube, so length, breadth and height will be same. So volume of the cube will be length multiplied by length multiplied by length, that is equals to 80 centimeter multiplied by 80 centimeter and multiplied by 80 centimeter. And we get the answer 5,12,000 centimeter cube. Centimeter we get centimeter cube after multiplication. Rate of reduction in length as given in the question is 10%. So length of the new cube will be 10% minus 100% minus 10%. This is the original percentage and this is the after decrease. We get the 90%. The length of the new cube is 90%. This value is in percentage. We have to find the numerical value. So reduced length is equal to 90% can be written as 90 over 100 and 80 is the original length. This 0 will be cancelled out with this 0 and this 0 will be cancelled out this 0. 8 multiplied by 9 and we get the answer 72 centimeter. This is the length of the new cube. So what is the volume of the new cube? Oh, it is obvious that volume of the new cube will be length multiplied by length multiplied by length. 72 centimeter multiplied by 72 centimeter and 72 centimeter. And we get the answer after multiplication is 3,73,248 centimeter cube. Volume is in cube. So change in volume, we have to subtract the volume of the original cube and the volume of the new cube. So this is the difference between their volumes. Now we have to find the surface area. Surface area of original cube is equals to 6L square and the length is 80. So 80 centimeter whole square. 80 square 6,400 centimeter square. After multiplication we get 38,400 centimeter square. Now we have to find the surface area of cube after reduction in edges, that is equals to 6L square. And now length will be taken as 72 centimeter whole square, that is equals to 5184 centimeter square. And we get the answer after multiplication is 31,104 centimeter square. So change in surface area will be their subtraction 38,400 minus this value and we get the answer 7296 centimeter square. This is the change in surface area of the original cube and the cube after reduction. Now move to our question number 4. How many bricks will be required to build a wall 30 meter long? This is the length of the wall. 50 centimeter thick. This is the breadth of the wall. And 2.5 meter high. This is the height of the wall. With each brick being 20 centimeter long. This is the length of brick. 10 centimeter wide. This is the breadth of brick. And 7.5 centimeter thick. This is the height of brick. 30 meter, 50 centimeter and 2.5 meter. Their units are not same, so we have to convert 50 centimeter into meters, that is equals to 0.5 meter. 50 divided by 100, that is equals to 0.5 meter. And we have to change these units into meters because the length and breadth and height of the wall in meters. So length of wall L is equal to 30 meter, breadth of wall is equal to 50 centimeter, that is equal to 0.5 meters, height of wall is equal to 2.5 meters. So volume of the wall will be length, breadth and height. Length multiplied by breadth multiplied by height. So 30 meter multiplied by 0.5 meter multiplied by 2.5 meter. The answer will be 37.5 meter cube. Now length of the brick is equal to 20 centimeter After dividing on 100, we get the answer 0.2 meters. Breadth of brick 10 centimeter. Answer is 0.1 meter. And height of brick is 7.5 centimeter. And after dividing over 100, we get the answer 0.075 meters. So we have to find the volume of the each brick. So volume of the brick is equals to length multiplied by breadth multiplied by height, 0.2 meter multiplied by 0.1 meter multiplied by 0.075 meter. And we get the answer after multiplication is 0.0015 meter cube. But we have to find the number of bricks required to build a wall. So we have to divide volume of the wall divided by volume of the brick. That is equal to 37.5 divided by 0.0015. So after removing their point, we get 10 in the denominator, and after removing the point in the denominator, we get 10,000 in the numerator. We have to cancel the zeros and we get 375 multiplied by 1000 divided by 15. 5 3 the 15 and 575 the 375. Now we get the answer 75 multiplied by 1000 divided by 3. 3 1 the 3 and 3 25 the 75. 25 multiplied by 1000. Now the number of bricks required 25,000 is the answer. Question number 5 is 3 metallic solid cubes with edges of length 3 cm, 4 cm and 5 cm respectively. So the edge of length of first cube is 3 cm, second is 4 cm and the third one is 5 cm are melted and recast into a new solid cube. We have to find the volume and the surface area of the new cube. This is the first cube with length 3 cm. This is the second cube with length 4 cm and this one is 5 cm. First of all, we have to find the volume of first cube, volume of the second cube and the volume of the third cube. They melted and recast a new cube. So we have to add these volume of these cubes. And then we have to find the volume and surface area of the new cube. Length of first cube is 3 cm. This is a cube, so formula is length multiplied by length multiplied by length. 3 cm multiplied by 3 cm multiplied by 3 cm. 3 3 is 9 and 9 3 is 27 cm cube. Length of second cube will be 4 cm. Then volume of the second cube is length multiplied by length multiplied by length, that is equals to 4 multiplied by 4 multiplied by 4, that is equals to 64 cm cube. Length of third cube L is equals to 5 cm. So volume of third cube will be length multiplied by length multiplied by length, that is equals to 5 cm multiplied by 5 cm multiplied by 5 cm, that is equals to 125 cm cube. So now we have to find the volume of the new cube. So we have to add these all volume of the cubes. So total volume of these cubes will be their addition 27 plus 64 plus 125 cm cube, that is equals to 216 cm cube. This is the volume of the new cube. But we have to find the length of the edge of a new cube, that is equals to 216 cube root. So 216 can be written as 6 multiplied by 6 multiplied by 6. क्यूब रूट यहाँ पे इसलिए लिया है क्योंकि लेंथ, ब्रेथ और हाइट तीन चीज़ें हैं. सो 6 मल्टीप्लाई बाय 6 सेंटीमीटर मल्टीप्लाई बाय 6 सेंटीमीटर क्यूब रूट. दिस कैन बी रिटन एज 6 सेंटीमीटर क्यूब over cube root. 3 multiplied by 3 cancel with this 3 and the answer is 6 centimeter. So length of edge of new cube is 6 centimeter. Now we have to find the surface area of new cube. This is the length. So the formula is 6L square. 6 multiplied by length is 6 centimeter square, that is equal to 36 centimeter square. After multiplication we get 216 centimeter square. This is the surface area of the new cube. Question number 6. The dimensions of a cuboid are in the ratio 5:3:2. This is the ratio of the dimensions of a cuboid. Find its total surface area given that its volume is 810 centimeter cube. Its volume is given and the dimensions of the cuboid are in the ratio form 5:3:2. We have to find the total surface area of the cube. Ratio in dimensions of cuboid is equal to 5:3:2. Volume of cuboid is given in the question. Suppose length is equal to 5x centimeter, breadth 3x centimeter and height 2x centimeter. Because 5:3:2 are in the ratio form. So volume of cuboid will be length multiplied by breadth multiplied by height, that is equals to 5x multiplied by 3x multiplied by 2x centimeter, that will be equals to 5 to the 15, 15 to the 30 x cube centimeter cube. So this is a volume of cuboid, but volume of cuboid will be given in question. So we have to equal them. 30 x cube centimeter cube is equals to 810 centimeter cube. 30 यहाँ मल्टीप्लाई हो रहा है, वहाँ जाके डिवाइड. सो वी गेट द आंसर एक्स क्यूब इज इक्वल टू 27 सेंटीमीटर क्यूब विल बी कैंसल आउट विद दिस सेंटीमीटर क्यूब. We have to take the cube root on both sides. Then we get 27 can be written as 3 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 3, that is equals to x is equals to 3. And we suppose length of the cuboid is 5x centimeter and the value of x is 3. So length of cuboid is 15 centimeter after putting the value of x. Breadth of cuboid we have to suppose 3x. So x is equals to 3. Then the breadth of the cuboid is 9 centimeter and height of cuboid 2x centimeter, that is equals to 6 centimeter. We have to find the surface area of cuboid and this is the length, breadth and height of the cuboid. So formula is 2 into LB plus BH plus HL. So 15 centimeter multiplied by 9 centimeter plus 9 centimeter multiplied by 6 centimeter plus 6 centimeter multiplied by 15 centimeter. 15 into 9 is equals to 135 centimeter square plus 9 into 6, that is equals to 54 plus 6 into 15 is equals to 90 centimeter square. After addition we get 279 and after multiplication we get 558 centimeter square. 558 centimeter square is the surface area of the cuboid.